Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So today in this video we are going to see how to clean our aftermarket filter and reuse it. So mostly people are using BMC or ITG or Canon filters, right? So that will last for around 10k kilometers, but we need to clean it every time. So around 80 to 90% people, they do petrol wash. After that they will directly fit into the filter boxes. But one thing we need to do, we need to regenerate the viscosity again. So I have searched in so many places, but I didn't get specially for my ITG filter. So I'm going to use this BMC cleaning kit to refresh my ITG filter. Even I clean my ITG filter once in with my petrol, but when you wash with the petrol, right, it becomes very hard and you can feel it is not what the way before. So I thought to buy this one and use it for my ITG filter. So basically, actually the box is broken. I bought it from Amazon. Somehow in the transit it got broken, I guess. So the red one is for the regeneration of that viscosity, and the white one is for cleaning the filter. So with this one you can retain the same quality when you bought that filter, right? So when you touch on the aftermarket filter, there will be a kind of chip feeling, so which will avoid a very minute or micro particle observing into the engine. So that we need to apply after cleaning the filter. Most of them are not doing nowadays. So somehow in the transit it got broken and I lost around 50 to 100 mLs from this bottle. Okay, it's fine. It's not like one time use, right? So with this bottle I feel like you can clean it around 10 times minimum. So let's take out the filter and I'll show you how to clean the filter using this kit. So in my TDI I have ITG filter. So for removing this one we need to remove the sensor first, and there are around 5 screws on the box, so that you need to remove, and the vacuum hoses you need to separate it from the air box. So now the sensor, screws, vacuum hoses, everything is removed. Now I can lift off the box. So in one hand I cannot do. So keep my camera aside and I'll remove the filter. So you can see the dust inside the box. So that we need to clean it manually using brush or something. So I can see some cockroaches, butterflies, many of them outside, but inside it is very clean. So this is the highlight of the foam filter. So let's clean this first using a brush or something. After that we'll use the detergent and leave it for some time, then clean it again and apply regenerator. So even now I can feel that same viscosity after doing around 6,000 kilometers on my car. Okay, let's clean with the brush, then we'll do one by one. So for that I'm going to use this normal paint brush, which you can get it from any paint shop or hardware shop. Okay, let's clean it. So on the initial step, by using the brush you can remove all the leaves or dead insects which is on the filter, and once it is done you can use the detergent to clean it thoroughly. So apply all around the filter, and after that you can leave it for around 15 minutes to settle down. So after 10 minutes you can start using the water to clean everything. So but clean it from the inside, not from the outside, because any dust particle are still there, it will go inside when you are washing from the outside. So try to clean from the inside, so it will thoroughly wash everything. So once you feel confident, then you can pour the water outside. So it is thoroughly cleaned actually. Now you can see the ITG symbol on the foam. Before it was not there. So make sure that after cleaning around for 2 to 3 hours, dry this filter on the shade. Make sure every water droplets are gone. So after that you can start applying this particular oil to make that viscosity again. So in the bottle they have mentioned like a filter regenerator, but personally I feel like it's kind of a oil what we are usually using for engine and all, but since it is a BMC brand, it is in red color so that it will match with the filter. But here in the ITG there will be a small difference. My filter become slightly red after applying this. So after applying a filter regenerator, just use your hand or something else to spread this oil all over the filter. So for applying, use gloves or something. I'm a nasty fellow. Right, actually, and right now I don't have the gloves or something else. That's why I'm applying in my bare hand. After that, I'll clean it. After that, leave the filter for 10 to 15 minutes to settle down, and then you can use your tissue or any wiping cloth to remove the excess oil all over the filter. So after removing this excess one, your filter will look good, and you will retain the same viscosity what you have before. So again and again I'm telling why we should retain this viscosity, because it's not like our OEM filter which will filter most of the things, but aftermarket filter it will allow microparticles. So this viscosity is very important so that it will stick to the that particular oil, then it won't allow inside the engine. So that's everything about cleaning the aftermarket filter and retaining the existing viscosity. So everything is done now. I'm putting back the filter into the air box. So on the same way you need to tighten all the 5 screws and fix the sensor and the vacuum hoses. So that's everything about removing and cleaning and installing the air filter on the 1.5 TDI. I'll show you one more filter which I have installed on my Polo, that is BMC. So that I'll show you later. And if you are watching my videos regularly, you can notice one thing. Yes, I have replaced my battery. So it's been around 4 years. So my battery has to be changed, but still it doesn't give any issues. But when you're going for a long trip or with a family, it will suddenly dead. It won't show any symptoms at all. So changing the battery is a good decision after 3 years or something else. So this battery I'm going to use it for my old house which have a small inverter. So I'm going to use this one. And the new battery they are giving warranty around for 55 months. And about the battery spec, it is around 12 volts 60 amps as per the company prescribed amps. And also it's not like a OEM battery, it is not sealed, so every 6 months or a year I need to visit the battery shop and need to check for the water level, everything, etc., so that I can keep my battery healthy. Also the steps to remove the battery is like you need to unscrew this clamp first, and then this is the entire set. If you remove this bolt, this entire thing will come out, and you need to remove the negative terminal as well. Then you can take the battery off very easily. So that's it guys, we are at the end of the video. So please do follow my channel, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for supporting me. Bye.